business owners, and entrepreneurs. Do you want access to quality leads?
Do you want to monetize your business referrals?
If you answered yes, then this offer is for you. At Network Lead Exchange, we believe in the power of networking, and we're leading the way with a unique and revolutionary new platform.
Organized by local chapters, Network Lead Exchange enables local business owners and entrepreneurs to connect and share referrals while making money in the process. Through peer support, we help business owners just like you by sharing resources, opportunities, and so much more.
Plus, by sending quality leads to other vetted members, you make a commission. Simply join our chapter, build your member profile, start referring other businesses, and receive your commissions. Increase your network, increase your sales, and grow your business.
Membership to our network is exclusive and is not offered to everyone. Network Lead Exchange, the future of networking.